and on every year. There has to be a new pace, and I'm pretty sure that Banari Aman Institute of Technology is going to give them a tough fight, and this should be a good match somewhere.
Look at that automatic robot already into zone number 3, and nice clean picking up from Team in Red, Gujarat Technological University here. The reigning champion have already picked up. Oh my God, how many rice seedlings they have managed to pick up. Have they bitten into something more than they could chew? Already therefore Robot 1 is having a bit of a trouble there, Team in Red. And the slow and steady formula usually works. Let's see how Team in Blue tries to capitalize on that little glitch as far as immediately those seedlings have to be brought back to the rack as far as the mistake is concerned from Team Red. So that over-exuberance, that over-exciting from the reigning champion may have cost them a crucial 1 minute. Sakshi, this is just a 3 minutes match, already 1 minute down. And Team in Blue, let's see how many they have been able to pick up. I think they have 2 reed seed saplings.
The struggle is real. The struggle is very real right now, Akshay, for both the teams, because they have their own issues right now that they're trying to address and deal with. But quite clearly, none of them so far have been able to place a seedling into the hole.
Sakshi.
The blue team tried to make an attempt, failed. The red team is trying right now. Their robot is trying pretty much.
Sakshi, I really like the approach from the reigning champion.
Yes.
In spite of having a little glitch in the beginning, they brought it all back onto the seedling rack and now picking up all of them, all the 12 seedlings in one go. Even though they have faltered here as far as the couple of spots are concerned, but successful planting. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's a 6th successful planting from the reigning champion. So tough times for Team in Blue there. Banari Aman Institute of Technology from Tamil Nadu.
Strategy paying off for the red team, which is represented by the Gujarat Technological University over here. Quite clearly, very thumpingly, they've been able to show that if you have a strategy and you come out with it, it will give you the results. And that is what we are seeing with their robot also, that the initial hurdles which this team faced, they've been able to overcome that and start off with their strategy. But let's not forget that there are only 19 seconds remaining in this game now. And what do we achieve from there is something that we'll have to wait and what either of these teams are able to achieve.
Sakshi, even though Team in Red has not been able to put any ball into the silos, but there is a clear difference as far as the execution of the problem statement is concerned. And there you see with that whistle, the time is up and there is a clear winner. We don't really need to wait for the official announcement there. Look at that beautiful planting, marginally mistaking there only in one slot. So Team in Red, the reigning champion, has started off well here.
And the funny thing is, Akshay, that we never even moved into the second zone. The game quite clearly finished off, began